one of our best sellers in London. Located opposite Sadler's Wells Theatre, LSE Rosebery Hall is just 15 minutes walk from King's Cross, St Pancras International Rail Station and features a communal TV room. Each room at Rosebery Hall comes with a hand basin, mirror and a cleaning service. A communal snack-making area is available for guests to use, and includes a microwave, fridge, kettle and toaster. Coin-operated laundry machines and free Wi-Fi available throughout. The accommodations is 30 minutes via tube from Oxford Street and 10 minutes from the O2 Academy Islington. Tubes can be caught from Angel Station, which is a 10-minute walk. The British Museum is only a 15-minute bus journey away. LSE Rosebery Hall is a London School of Economics student residence during the academic term. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.